When most people hear blockchain, they think Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, but that's just the beginning. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that's poised to transform industries far beyond finance. From healthcare and supply chains to voting systems and digital identity, blockchain offers unmatched transparency, security, and decentralization. In the next few years, this technology could reshape how we store data, verify truth, and build trust in a digital world without needing middlemen. Here's how blockchain will impact much more than just crypto. Today we will talk about how blockchain will transform more than just crypto. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Trust redefined through decentralization. Blockchain's core value lies in decentralization, removing the need for intermediaries in trust-based systems. Unlike traditional databases managed by central authorities, blockchain distributes data across nodes, ensuring immutability and transparency. This redefines trust, not because someone enforces rules, but because the system's design prevents manipulation. In sectors like banking, law, real estate, and even voting systems, this trust model disrupts conventional methods. For instance, smart contracts can enforce agreements automatically without relying on third-party arbitration. Moreover, governments exploring blockchain-based ID verification and public records are cutting corruption and improving citizen trust. The technology enables users to verify facts independently. This decentralized structure ensures that no single entity can modify records or censor information, perfect for regions plagued by misinformation or data manipulation. Beyond cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, this principle is laying the groundwork for a transparent, self-regulating digital future across countless sectors. 2. Supply chains will become transparent. One of blockchain's most promising applications is in supply chain management. Companies often struggle to track items through complex global networks. Blockchain offers real-time, tamper-proof tracking, giving every participant, from manufacturer to retailer to consumer, clear visibility into an item's journey. Platforms like IBM's Food Trust and B-Chain allow businesses to log every step on-chain, reducing fraud, delays, and human error. In industries like food safety, fashion, pharmaceuticals, and electronics, blockchain ensures product authenticity and combats counterfeiting. Imagine buying medicine and scanning a QR code to see every checkpoint from lab to shelf, verifying origin, batch number, and temperature conditions. That's already happening. Moreover, when companies adopt this transparency, they build consumer trust, especially around sustainability claims like organic or fair trade. Blockchain enables proof of such claims, rather than blind trust in labels. Over time, this will become the new normal, forcing unethical practices and greenwashing out of the market. 3. Healthcare records will be safer. The healthcare industry faces issues with data silos, breaches, and interoperability. Blockchain can revolutionize this space by enabling secure, unified, and patient-controlled health records. Today, the medical data is fragmented across different clinics, insurers, and labs. But a blockchain-based system can store a universal patient ID and encrypted health history, accessible only with the patient's consent. This creates a single source of truth for doctors, reducing errors and improving care. Platforms like Medical Chain, Patientory, and Metablock are already piloting such solutions. Hospitals and clinics can update patient data in real time, ensuring consistency and reducing duplicate tests. Blockchain also secures clinical trials data, preventing manipulation or post-hoc alterations of results. Insurance fraud, billing errors, and prescription abuse can be curbed through immutable ledgers. In public health, blockchain can track vaccination data or pandemic testing with full transparency. Overall, this gives patients more power over their health data, increasing safety, trust, and efficiency. 4. Voting systems will become tamper-proof. Elections and voting processes have long struggled with issues like fraud, manipulation, and low voter confidence. Blockchain offers a way to build tamper-proof, transparent, and accessible voting systems. In a blockchain-based voting platform, each vote is recorded as a unique, irreversible transaction that's traceable yet anonymized. This makes it impossible to alter results without detection. Countries like Estonia, Switzerland, and even some U.S. states have started experimenting with blockchain for local or overseas voting. Voters can cast ballots from mobile apps, with each vote verifiable by both the voter and election commission without revealing identity. This reduces costs, delays, and security risks. Moreover, blockchain could empower remote voting for the disabled, military personnel, or expats, who often miss elections due to logistical hurdles. If scaled successfully, this could restore faith in democratic processes and drastically increase participation. In the future, election integrity might be guaranteed by code, not by court battles or recounts. 5. Real estate deals will go digital. Blockchain is streamlining real estate transactions by digitizing property records and automating contracts. Traditionally, buying or selling a property involves long paperwork, middlemen, and title verification delays. With blockchain, land registries and ownership histories can be recorded immutably, drastically reducing fraud and disputes. Countries like Sweden, Georgia, and the UAE have launched pilot programs where deeds are stored on blockchain, making transfers faster and more secure. Blockchain platforms like Propi and Realt allow property tokenization, enabling fractional ownership. That means users could invest in a property the same way they buy stocks, owning 5% of a villa in Bali or an apartment in New York. Smart contracts can automate escrow, mortgage verification, or lease agreements. This not only reduces costs but opens real estate investment to global retail investors, bypassing traditional financial barriers. 6. Finance beyond cryptocurrencies. While blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies, its use in traditional finance, TradFi, is growing rapidly. We're seeing the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, which lets users borrow, lend, trade, and earn interest, all without banks. Platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound let users engage in finance purely through code and cryptographic trust. But even legacy institutions like JP Morgan, Visa, and MasterCard are integrating blockchain for cross-border payments, fraud detection, and clearing processes. Blockchain cuts out intermediaries, reducing costs and speeding up settlements from days to seconds. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are another blockchain-powered innovation, being developed by countries like China, India, and the EU to offer a digitized, programmable form of cash. These allow precise monetary policy control and better tracking of economic activity. 7. Intellectual property gets protection. Artists, writers, musicians, and developers often struggle to protect and monetize their intellectual property, IP. Blockchain offers a solution through time-stamped, verifiable ownership records, smart contracts, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are not just about digital art. They represent digital rights, enabling creators to sell, license, or monetize work directly. Smart contracts can embed royalties, ensuring that creators get paid automatically every time their work is resold. For example, a musician could release a track as an NFT and earn 10% on every future resale forever. Platforms like OpenSea, Audius, Mirror, and Zora are creating decentralized marketplaces, where creators control distribution without relying on platforms like Spotify or YouTube. Even software developers are using blockchain for version control and licensing. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.